Hello. After watching this video, you will find out what the word bird means. Any of the bipedal, warm-blooded vertebrates that lay eggs having wings which, for most species, enables them to fly. A powered heavier-than-air aircraft with fixed wings that obtains lift by the Bernoulli effect and is used for transportation. Badminton equipment consisting of a ball of cork or with a crown of feathers. Warm-blooded egg-laying vertebrates characterized by feathers and forelimbs modified as wings. Watch and study birds in their natural habitat. The flesh of a bird or fowl used as food. A cry or noise made to express displeasure or contempt. Informal terms for a woman. A ball of cork or with a crown of feathers, used to play badminton. Badminton equipment consisting of a ball of cork or with a crown of feathers.